Story time! The first musical I ever wrote, original musical that I ever wrote, which I wrote in college, had its premiere production, at the first ever Rochester Fringe Festival 10 years ago, today! Now, was this musical good? No, it wasn't. Did this musical have promise? Not really, not at the end of the day. Am I proud of it? Yes. It was a huge step on the way to figuring out how I do write and how to get better. And learning through doing is just so important. The original production at SUNY Geneseo was long. And too long. It was okay. It had moments. For the Fringe production, we shortened it down to 90 minutes of one act, and it worked a lot better. It was still okay. It was all right. But I'm proud of that. It was a mess. It was a hot mess. Is there some music in there that's catchy? Yeah. Are there some decent lyrics in there? Yeah. Is the story okay? Just okay. Could have been a lot better. But man, what a great learning experience. If you've not yet put up a show at a festival, it is a whirlwind. It can be expensive and it can be a lot of time like drained away from your life, but it is well worth it if you can afford to do it. If you can't afford to do it, then I think putting up a reading is also very effective. The reason I want to talk about today is because we can't be proud of everything that we do. We can't. I'm not proud of the show itself. It is not reflective of my writing now. It was not reflective of my tastes at the time or my tastes now, but my skill level wasn't there yet. But it was well worth doing. And if I hadn't done that one, King's Legacy probably would never have happened. And that'd be really sad. My life would have taken a completely different turn. Anyway, all this to say, write. Do things. Be messy. Try things out. Put things up, even before you're proud of them, because you will learn so much. Just make sure that you are surrounding yourself with the right people. The people who are there to support you and uplift you and be there to catch you if you fall. And you will. Sometimes you'll fall. But that's okay. We learn through failure, and sometimes failure is the best way to learn. So, that is my little story for today. I hope you're all having a great day, and go write.